Hello guys, so as you know, the DV Lottery entry application has started yesterday, and the first thing that you should do is to match your photo with the US passport requirements. So you should click on the link in the description, and then that link will redirect you to this website, which is the official website from the government of America. So you can start matching your photo with the passport requirements. So before you start, you need to know to click in the help section, which is the best way to read the instructions of the head size and the face place, where to put the face, where you can see the head is too large, and in other places the head size is correctly in the perfect place. So as you can see, the eyes and nose and the mouth should be in the first circle, which is this circle. Then the hair and ears with the chin and the other circle, and the neck also should match the this two lines. So you just adjust the photo to match the requirements. So as you can see now, I think is the chain. As you can see, the chain is in the same place. You can try to get it here. So I think this is the best place for this photo. As you can see, there are also some other instructions to use before you go to the to this tool, which is you have to be in a white background. With background, you should take the photo with a total white background, and you should not be smiling as this photo, as Mark Zuckerberg is doing now. So you should not smiling. You should you should not try to manipulate or change some critical faces on your face with Photoshop or with whatever editing program. So I think this is the whole thing about the photo requirements. So after you complete the adjustment, you just crop the photo, click on this crop photo button, and then you will get this photo. Just close it and then save the photo, so you can save it to some new file. So that's it, all about the photo tool. Check the channel for some more videos about how to apply for the DV Lottery, and subscribe for the channel and share this video with people who are interested in the DV Lottery. So thank you guys, and see you again.